Morning students, how are you all? I hope all are good and fine. In social, term 1, 5th class, our first topic will be started now. The globe. The globe. We now explain what is a globe. A globe is a simple and accurate model of the earth. We use a globe to study the earth. See, we not see at a time to earth. So we can find out on globe what how much of water and how much of earth and how much of trees are there. We can find out on globe. This is the globe. On a globe, you can find the distribution of land masses and water bodies and their current shape, size and location. We can find out everything on the earth. Everything on the earth. Distribution, how much of the land and how much of the water. This blue color we will be seeing is called water. And water bodies and how much current size of water and how much current size of places and location, which area will be here, which area will be there. We can find out on all things on a globe. Next, there are seven continents in the world: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. We can see here there are 5 oceans in the world: Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and Antarctic, Southern and Arctic. See here, this is our oceans and continents and oceans of the world. In this world, here we can see continents. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Australia. This is our continents. Now we can see oceans. Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. This is called oceans. See, in continents, biggest continent is Asia and smallest continent is Antarctic. Biggest continent is Asia and smallest continent is Antarctic. Okay, now we can also see other smaller water bodies such as seas, bays, gulfs, streets, lakes and rivers on a globe. We can see everything on a globe like lakes and rivers. And imagine we cannot see at a time total earth of the how much of water and how much of lakes, and we can through like this and see how much of water is there and how much of lakes and where is located trees. We can see everything on a globe. Why we can use globe? We can study the earth. An imaginary line drawn through the center of the earth is called its axis, which this is the earth. We can use example like this is the earth, not this is earth, but we can use earth. This is a globe. The earth rotates on its axis. The axis has two end points, one at the top called the North Pole and the other at the bottom called the South Pole. This is a globe. In this globe, this is the top, bottom and this is the bottom. In top, this is North Pole and this is South Pole. We can call this line axis. We call this line axis. We can use rotate. We rotate the globe and we can see states and water bodies. Where we can use everything on this globe. The earth is shaped like a sphere. The word sphere is used for any object which is almost round in shape. The word hemisphere means half of a sphere. The earth can be divided into two halves by drawing an imaginary line horizontally midway between the North Pole and South Pole. The earth is shaped like a sphere. You will see the earth at a time total? No. Earth is shaped like a ball. We use this globe. This also we are seeing this is looking like a ball, but we cannot see this ball also at a time. We can see half of the part. We can see half of the part. That is called hemisphere. That is called hemisphere. The word hemisphere means half of a sphere. We can see one time half of the globe. Total globe at a time we cannot see total of the globe. The earth can be divided into two half of the earth. The earth can be divided into two halves. This globe also divided into two parts. One here and another and that side. By drawing imaginary line horizontal midway between the North Pole and the South Pole. They're having this line will be having half of the globe. This side half and this side half. This is the horizontal line. This is the horizontal line. We can find out one part of half here and one part of half here. That is the midway between the North Pole and the South Pole. This imaginary line is called the equator. What we say, this line equator. This line is called equator. This line will be called a equator. Okay, thank you. I hope you can understand. Your homework is you can draw this globe. You will draw this globe. Okay, thank you students.